climate pattern that describes the unusual warming of surface waters in the eastern equatorial Pacific Ocean. Trade winds and atmosphere are also impacted by El Nino. The weather pattern known as La Nina brings warmer than normal sea surface temperatures to the southern Pacific Ocean around northern Australia, New Guinea, and other islands of Indonesia. The cooler sea surface temperatures of La Nina occur in the southern Pacific off the coast of South America.
El Nino is the warm phase of the El Nino Southern Oscillation climate pattern. La Nina is its cool counterpart. As this chart shows, El Nino events occur irregularly at 2 to 7 year intervals.
Warm surface waters associated with El Nino events can suppress the thermocline, the level of ocean depth that separates warm water from the cooler water below. The strong El Nino events of 1982 through 1983 and 1987 of 1988 are visible in the graph right here.
Upwelling is the natural process which brings cold, nutrient-rich water to the surface. A huge upwelling regularly occurs off the coast of Peru, which enjoys a large fishing industry as a result.
El Nino also produces widespread and sometimes severe changes in the atmosphere. Convection above warmer surface brings increased precipitation. Rainfall increases drastically on the South American coast, here in the photo showing Chile, contributing to the coastal flooding and erosion.
An example was a typhoon in Taiwan. El Nino events can also impact the western Pacific Ocean, normally in an increased number and severity of cyclones. Typhoon Winnie above hit Taiwan and China during a powerful El Nino event in 1997. Typhoon Winnie killed more than 200 people and caused more than $1 billion in damages. As El Nino brings rain to South America, it brings droughts to Indonesia and Australia. These droughts threaten the region's water supplies, impacting health, hygiene, industry, and agriculture.
While El Nino brings unusually warm weather to the west coast, other parts of North America may endure longer, colder, and wetter winters. Scientists, governments, and non-governmental organizations, NGOs, collect data about El Nino using a number of different technologies. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, for instance, operates a network of scientific buoys, like this one shown in the photo.
These buoys measure ocean and air temperatures, winds, currents, and humidity, and are located at about 70 locations in the southern Pacific Ocean, from the Galapagos Island to Australia.
Right now, you may be wondering, what can I do to help? Because it just seems like such a big deal. And we can't actually stop El Nino or La Nina from occurring because it's natural, but the reason why it's such a problem today is because of how severe it is due to climate change. And ways we can prevent climate change from occurring so heavily are
choosing sustainable transportation like carpooling, walking, biking, and reduce energy consumption by turning off lights and unplugging electronics when not in use, and educate others about the importance of taking action against climate change.